Hi everyone, welcome to Burns Hustles, where we help you to turn sideline interests into cash. And today I want to read a few quotes from Get Paid for Your Pad by Jasper Rivers, and I forget the other writer. There are two writers. Yeah, sorry to the other writer. I can't remember at the moment. I don't have the book with me. Jasper always comes to mind because his name's so unique. Anyway, yeah, about your writing your listing description on Airbnb. Really be careful about your wording. Jazz it up. Try to be accurate. You don't want to be inaccurate. You get lower ratings for that. The guests rate you on that. Rate you on accuracy. So Jasper says in Get Paid for Your Pad, poor wording. The house has a balcony. So the house has a balcony. That's not good. It's not interesting. Good wording. After a great day of sightseeing, the balcony is a perfect and lush spot to reflect on the day while enjoying a cold drink in the afternoon sun. Page 65, Get Paid for Your Pad. So yeah, try to keep that accurate. You will get more guests and higher ratings, which gives you more guests. So yeah, just be sure that everything you write is accurate. Make sure your title of your unit is accurate. Title of your Airbnb unit, and otherwise your ratings are going to go down. So that's important. So I talk about how to make money with side hustles. If that is interesting to you, please think about subscribing. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.